Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you exactly how you can copy sets of data or cells into multiple cells in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets at once. It is very simple, guys, so let us guide you through this. So we'll head over to Google Sheets and let's go, for example, with an example table like this. And now I would like to, copy that cell here, for example, or that one, or you can even go with a set of cells. So let me go with that one here. And copy it and paste it into multiple cells here to the right. So this is how you can do it. First, select a given cell, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. And after that, highlight the cell where we'd like to place the copies in. Like, for example, let me go with that one, that one, that one, with these 5 cells or these 10 cells here. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste the given data into these multiple cells at once. However, guys, if you'd like to do this and not for consecutive cells or adjacent cells like these here, but selected cells, you may apply the following trick. Simply select the first cell where you'd like to copy and paste the cell in. But instead of highlighting the adjacent cells, simply press and hold the left control on your keyboard and left click to pick all the other cells we would like to place and copy and paste that data in. So let me go with these 6 cells here, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard, and that is going to paste the given data into these selected cells. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time.